This is Samsung, a leader in innovation, a pioneer in display technology, a force in mobile photography. From the sleek Galaxy S series to the foldable future, Samsung doesn't follow trends. It sets them. With AMOLED brilliance, powerful Exynos and Snapdragon chips, and a legacy of premium design, this is more than a smartphone. This is a Galaxy. It's not just smartphones. From the Galaxy Watch that tracks your health, to QLED and Neo QLED TVs with cinematic brilliance, and laptops to AI-powered washing machines that make life easier, Samsung powers every part of your world. Smart homes, smart living, smart future. This is Samsung. Beyond mobile. In world of Samsung mobiles can do, with stunning displays, powerful performance, and camera systems that see in the dark. Offers S series, A series, M series, F series, Z Clip, Z foldable mobiles, new Samsung Edge series. AI technology like Live Translate, Image Eraser, etc. From the first Android Galaxy to the future of foldables, Samsung keeps pushing boundaries. This isn't just a phone. This is a Galaxy experience.